Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw a 3D tunnel and I'm going to show you step by step. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new uploads. So these are the things that we are going to need for the drawing and I have given the list in the description box. First of all, we are drawing a rectangle which is going to be the vanishing point for the tunnel. Now I'm drawing the outer lines for the tunnel. I'm taking reference points for the curved lines to meet at one point. So I have drawn all the curved lines with a pencil. Now I'm just tracing them with the marker to make them bold. The gap between the vertical lines should increase as you come towards the outer side. So we are done with drawing the lines. You can erase the reference lines if you want. As I have mentioned that the rectangle that I draw in the middle of the page is going to be the vanishing part for the tunnel. So I'm making it black. Now I'm coloring the grid in black color to make a checkerboard effect. I'm going to add some shadings to the drawing to give it a more 3D effect. So this is about it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.